y'all up a little bit because I kind of do want to get y'all into this look. Like, hold on. Do you see it? Honey. Oh, I wish you could really get into it, Oh my God, I'm definitely going to have to edit it out. Or should I show them the crazy, real crazy side? What is going on, my boo? It is your girl, STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, guys, we are going to focus on face. I've been getting a lot of requests from some of my little viewers about something just not beat down, but just something a little chill. You know what I mean? Like, you just going to work, you're not really doing all that concealer and all that extra stuff, just something chill. So I'm going to do something really quick and fast for y'all. So number one, we're going to be starting off with eyebrows. So you already know that I use pomade. You don't have to use pomade because pomade is a little thick. You can definitely use a pencil. I like to use pomade because I don't have any eyebrows. You understand what I'm saying? Like, people say I do, but I don't. So this is what I'm going to be jumping into real quick, okay? All right, now since we have those eyebrows down, we can get into face. So I start with my eyes first, and then I work my face using the same color as my skin. So we're gonna be taking this e.l.f. and this is in the color Rich Chocolate, and we're gonna be putting this under the eyes. It's so crazy that I be doing makeup, and the reason why I'm saying like it's so crazy like I'm really doing makeup is because I never really was into makeup, but I seen makeup the whole time I was a little girl. My grandma, she would do her makeup every morning for work, and I used to just sit there and I used to just watch what she do. And I mean, my grandma used to beat her face. And around this time, it wasn't a lot of things that you could buy for black people when I was a little girl. So I would see my grandma take different foundations and she would mix them to get her skin. But she used to beat, do you hear me? She used to beat that face. I say that to say that I know she probably like, girl, didn't I used to tell you to put a goddamn eyebrow on or get you some lashes? She used to say, get you some lipstick. I just like lip gloss. That's all I wanted to wear back in my days before I got older. Because when I was a kid, I just was like, no. You never know where God has you. And I'm very, very grateful for my grandma. But yes, honey, you see how I'm just hooking this up, chit-chatting with y'all. So now we just gonna take a brush and we just gonna blend all it out. But it's just sometimes when I look at myself and I see that I'm really getting good at makeup, it's really shocking because I'm trying to tell y'all this was something that I would never in a million years think that I would fall in love with. I love fashion. If you guys don't know that about me, I love fashion. Really, really quick, we're going to be jumping into primer. No matter what y'all do, always put a primer on your face. I don't care. Put a primer on your face. So this is actually what I usually do when I'm trying to be really, really quick, boo. So everybody don't be having time. We want to be cute real fast. Be like, yeah, bitch, you see it, you see it. It's like, no. Real quick, we're going to be jumping into the Nars Long Radiant Foundation. And I'm going to show y'all, I go 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop, 4 little teeny drop, 5 little teeny drop. And I definitely use a brush. I like brushes better. Some people don't. I don't know. I just can't do a beauty blender all the time. I just can't. Cause I just set this on. You know, I ain't glue it down. All right. So if you seen it, act like you didn't. Ooh, I forgot to blend that out. Oops. We are going to jump into concealer, and we're going to be jumping into deep cinnamon. You only want to be just a tad lighter, and especially if you're trying to look like I got skin, but I got skin, but okay. And we're going to slay it right under the eye, just like that. And then we're going to take and just go like that, and make sure you cover and just go like that. You see? But yeah, so I've been doing fashion for a while. I never thought that this would be something that I would take seriously, and I always thought that I would have a makeup artist for the rest of my life, and God showed me otherwise. Me telling y'all that, you know, walk in God's way, in his faith, his way is the best way. So I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm just going to blend Lift your eye up and blend that out, girl. Just blend. Come on, baby. You already know what it's hitting for, you know? Oh, look. Look. Who got you? I got you. And if you made it this far to the video and you haven't subscribed, you might as well subscribe. You feeling the kid? You feeling this too? Yes, you can get this on my site, munjingwong.com. By the way, because I'm always telling you guys that I have a business, but then I never say it. I like put it in my description box. But yes, you know, humbly, munjingwong.com. And you can follow us also on Instagram and see what we do and who we dressed and all those good things like that. I'm going to, what I'm about to do. Hold up. Wait a minute. We're gonna bake, okay? So I'm going to be taking e.l.f. This is deep. And I just pat that really, really good. You feel me? And then I even pat it on top of my lid because you don't want your lids to crease. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna bring some structure into the face. So we're gonna jump into the Bobbi Brown right there. One like two little things right here. I don't do my temple. No, matter of fact, I do my temple, but I do it real small, like teeny. And I take my concealer and I just go like this. I don't touch all the way down. I just bring it right here, boo, you know, and just blend it right in. You see that? You see that structure? And I just go just like this. Cause I like a little kind of like structure, you know. Like I want that structure, but I don't need it. And I'm not gonna touch it too hard, because if you touch it too hard, a lot of the times it'll disappear. So you still want that structure, but you want it to disappear a little bit. So now I'm about to jump into some black eyeliner and put that in my waterline. You can take any kind of fluffy brush, but I like this kind of brush. Like, just give it some woof, baby. Hey, hey, ho, hi. So now since I have that down, I'm gonna pop me on some lashes real quick. I ain't gonna leave you bald. Alright, so now since we have that down, I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX Sweet Cheeks, stamp right on up in there, and just, you know, put that real quick on my cheeks. And now we're going to be jumping into lip. I have to sharpen it because I've been using it, but this is the Morphe Trendsetter. Y'all, I love this brown. Yo, get you this brown, and it don't even cost that much. Ooh, I broke it. I like to overline my lips. I like to take just a brown lip gloss, and the lip gloss that I've been doing is the Morphe, and this is in the color Gypsy. And I just take that, put that all over my lips. Face, you know what I'm saying? Something clean, you know. Take some powder. This is a really fast look, and I've been giving y'all eyes lately, and I was actually going to give you another eye, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just do something that's like chill, you know. And I really like this. This is a real everyday look, you know what I mean? Something that you can do. This is like a real chill look. I really love this look a lot. Like, to be honest, I could really like sit here and just talk to y'all like this. And if you have not subscribed to my video yet, I ain't even gonna say nothing, but I'm just saying, like, you shouldn't be watching the kid if you ain't subscribed. You feel me? Just subscribe. You know you feeling the kid, you know? Say no, y'all. But if you are really feeling this look, because I could sit here and talk to you guys all day, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you can get to know me, so I can get to know you, and then we can just get to know each other. You feel me? Like, we are really real on this page, and I like the way this page is growing. And to be honest, I'd rather have 10 strong ass people that really fuck with me than have 1,000 followers and don't fuck with me at all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm like really chilling, y'all. I really like these kind of videos. I think I'm gonna be doing some more chill videos. So what I was about to say, all right, yeah, so I'm going to be posting 3 times a week, y'all. For the past 2 weeks I've been doing it. So I just thank y'all so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to keep God first. You already know, period. I love you, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.